Hi guys, so today, this is my second video, and it's the same day as like the first video, and I'm just going to show you like my crimper slash curler slash straightener. Alright, so it was originally $19, it was on sale for $14, and my grandma had points for Kmart, and we got it for $2. So, this is the base. The top can come off, and it's pretty cool because it heats up pretty fast. And then this is the curler. You can also like use it for waving your hair. You snap it on like this and you twist it. For me, you twist it to the left. Go. There. Make sure it's all the way in. And you twist it to, for me, mine, you twist it to the left to lock it. Man, it's not wanting to work today. There you go, like this. And it's pretty cool. Like every curler always has a thing up here. And you press up for high, down for low, and keep it in the middle for off. And then this dot right here lights up when you turn it on. And then on this, there's a light right here. It'll glow when it means it's ready. And so to unlock it, really, twist it to the right and you pull it off. And so now I'm going to show you the crimper and there we go. There. So this is the thing. They put the crimping iron in and the straightening iron. I'm going to put this on the base so it'll be easier. You gotta hold it and stuff. So yeah, like this. See, there's nothing in there. So like, how does it work? There's nothing in there. It comes with these two things right here. This is crimping, and this is straightening. So what you do, right here, there are two little pegs. And there's one spot that you can put the peg ones in. This part. This side. You just slide it down. Until it's all the way in. And this one is just hollow. And you put it on this one. The way it heats up is like, it's like this. The whole time, sorry. Let's hold it the whole time and have it open, like heating up. This one won't get heated up if it's not touching this one. She'll be like this when it's snapped in. It just gets together. So mix this one in. God, I just smashed my fingers. And like, so it's like this, when it's on, it'll start to heat up. Oh, God. So there's your crimper. Now, all you gotta do to turn it to straighten is you just gotta turn it around. Dang, the video's not going so well. And same thing, it'll heat up like this. So of course you could have like, since I always do mine like this, or my thumbs on the back. So if I had like crimping on the left side and straightening on the right, there'd be crimps in the front for me. Like this. It'd be straight in the back and crimpy in the front. If I switched it around, it'd be crimpy in the back and straight in the front. So yeah, mine's just like, and we got it for $2. That's like a really good deal. I'm surprised. Just got a long cord, and one like these things right here are bigger than the other. And I will be doing some makeup videos too, and like some how to store your makeup videos, and some like hair videos and stuff. So that's all I have for today. I'm just going and smashing it. That's all I have right now. So yeah.